Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video with voiceover. Today I am going to do tips and tricks for beginners. So let's start. The tip number 1 is that best combos. The best combos for the kill shot is, if your kill shot is energy limit 8, then I tells you to keep Jelvin Rack 4 and Jelvin Rack 4. Otherwise, if your kill shot is energy limit 12, then I tells you to keep Jelvin Rack 6 and Jelvin Rack 6. Or if it is a 16, then I tells you to keep Missile Rack and Missile Rack. Missile Rack 8 and Missile Rack 8. And if it is 20, means you can keep Rocket Motors 12 and Jelvin Rack 6. So now let's check for Panther. If your Panther is energy limit 12, then I tells you to keep RPG 6 and RPG 6, or Jelvin Rack 6 or Jelvin Rack 6. Or if it is energy limit 16, means I tells you to keep Long Ram 8 and Long Ram 8. Or if it is 20 energy limit, means I tells you to keep Long Ram 10 and Long Ram 8. Otherwise you can keep Status Barrier 16 and Thermal Lancer 4. Or if your Panther is energy limit 24, you can keep Long Ram and Status Barrier, or Royal Gun and Long Ram, or double rocket motors. So let's go to Zephyr. If your kill shot is with energy limit 16, then I says you to keep Missile Rack 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And the best combos for the Zephyr are Missile Rack, and you can keep Plascano, Arc Tornad 6 or Arc Tornad 10, or Arc Tornad 10 and Thermal Lancer 6. And if you are, so let me change the set. Wait guys. And let's go to Guardian. If you're the Guardian for energy limit 12, 16 sets, the best sets are, I tells you to keep Missile Rack and Missile Rack 8 and Missile Rack 8. This is the one of the best combo to the Guardian. And if your Guardian is energy limit 20, I tells you to keep Rocket Motors and Rocket Motors 8. Or you can keep Status Barrier and Thermal Lancer 2. Or if it is 24 and double rocket motors are available to you, so you can keep double rocket motors. Or double rocket motors is unavailable, means you can keep rocket motors 10 and rocket motors 12. And let's go to the Ares. If your Ares is energy limit 12, I tells you to keep Jelvin Rack and Jelvin Rack, or Missile Rack and Missile Rack. Missile Rack 6 and Missile Rack 6. and Jelvin Rack and Jelvin Rack, or Missile Rack and Missile Rack, guys. And let's go to tip number 2. The tip number 2 is that what type of mechs you should keep in your hangar. And let's go to tip number 2. The tip number 2 is that I told you all that you should keep in the middle your favorite mech. For example, my favorite mech is the Panther, so I keep Panther in the middle of my hangar. Tip number 3 is that what types of mechs you should keep in your hangar. So that I will tell you that you should keep one Scott type mech, and attack type mech, 2 attack type mechs, 1 support type mech, and 1 tank type mech. Or you can keep 1 more attack type mech too. So let me. And the tip number 4 is that I will show you the best places, the best maps for the in that maps you should take which mech. I tell you to in this sky ship, the best mech is kill shot. With any set you can keep. In this Fort Ben City, I tell the best mech is that Guardian. With any set, especially with rocket motors. And the old Paradise Pledge. I tell you here the best mech is Panther. With any sets, the Panther is all rounder for the sets. And I tell this is the best for Panther. And the next map is that Mesovitic Annex. Here the Zephyr is best mech. For example, how also I tells, if you don't have Zephyr, I tells here to keep even RS2. How means I'll tell you. See, if here anyone comes to you, then you can use your ability and you can shoot. And I'll tell you how RS also. If you are, so I will tell you the same RS too. To RS, if you kept any sets, for example, you kept Jelvin Rack, or you kept Missile Rack 6. Also, you can hide and someone will with the less power you can kill him and you can come to the cover. And if anyone is attacking you, then you can use your shield. And the tip number 5 is that if you want A coins, means you should play more tournament. This, if you play tournament, you will get all 1,000 to 500, 200, 1,200, 400, all these A coins. And you will get credits. And you will get the keys also. With these keys, you can get the skins, and you can open the fortune wallets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Blue Captain.